bathrooms down here. Okay. A nice one, it looks like. Nice TV. This room was bigger than our room. Oh, is this a beach room? Oh, maybe this was a beach. Oh well, anyway, so what you guys see, a nice queen size bed, and then you have like a couch with a table. And we have a nice balcony here, a nice view, a nice flat screen TV.
You going in there, huh?
They do have a refrigerator, and we also have a microwave. Also have a coffee maker. You have an ice dish here. Tables and 2 chairs. You have a lamp. A dresser with 3 compartments. You also have a nightstand here, the lamp, phone, and then you also have a safe here. Okay. This is an older thermostat here, but I guess this is how you would adjust the temperature in the room. So this is the bathroom. You have your ironing board, some hangers to hang up. This is your vanity set. The room does have a hair dryer, blow dryer. It does come with lotion, shampoo, conditioner, and some towels. Ready to go to the beach. Okay. Let's go over to the pool. So the hours of the pool is 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. You have a maximum capacity of 10. Ooh, nice and sunny. It has some chairs here. Pool. Nice little sunroom. You can go down the steps here. Goes all the way up to 3.5 feet, 4.5 feet. So it goes all the way to 4.5 feet. Okay. So this is beautiful. All right, and then you also can go out here, outdoors. Yeah, so I'm gonna come back to you guys later because we're gonna get in the pool. All right. This is beautiful. They have a breakfast room where they serve meals, obviously breakfast, and you can either eat inside of the breakfast room or you can have to-go orders and pick up and go back to the room and eat. So this is really nice. Breakfast is included. You don't have to pay for it. And we decided to stay here and eat and kind of just get out of the room and have a different scenery. And you can see it's not a lot of people here. And of course you can take off your mask pre-COVID while you're eating. Okay. So we chose the table that's by the window so we can have a nice view. And so I already opened up the bag, but nevertheless, they write your room number on the bag, on the white paper bag. And then they have cold breakfast with cereal and milk and a nice muffin. And then 2 things of apple juice. That's what my son has. And then he also has a hot breakfast that's coming. So we're kind of waiting for her to come around with the hot breakfast. I also ordered a hot breakfast as well. So we're waiting for that to come. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
So let's see what they have. Hold on, Sadie. So it's just pretty much some bacon with eggs, and then they give you your condiments, salt and pepper packets that you can use. And he has the same thing, bacon and eggs. So bacon and eggs in a nice tray, so you can either eat it here or take it to go. So it's your choice. Alright, so we're gonna have our breakfast, and then I'll go back and give you guys a room tour. It has a nice television here, and it's really nice. So